As the monsoon clouds cast their shadows over Karnataka, the landscape transforms into a lush paradise, offering an idyllic backdrop for travelers. The rhythmic sound of raindrops against leaves invites adventurers to explore the captivating beauty and serene ambiance of this southern state during the rainy season. One of the top places to visit is Coorg, often referred to as the Scotland of India. The rolling hills dressed in green, coupled with cascading waterfalls, create a mesmerizing spectacle. Take a stroll through spice plantations where the fragrant aroma of coffee and cardamom fills the air, and enjoy a hot cup of Coorgi coffee while soaking in the foggy surroundings. The gurgling streams add a melodic element to this enchanting locale, making it an ideal monsoon getaway. Another gem is Chikmagalur, renowned for its stunning mountain ranges and coffee estates. The misty mornings envelop the coffee plantations in a mystical aura. Hike up to Mullayanagiri, the tallest peak in Karnataka, and experience the breathtaking view of the rain-drenched landscape from the summit. The serene atmosphere and breathtaking vistas become even more magical when combined with the fresh scent of rain. After a long day, retreat to a cozy homestay where you can relish traditional Malnad cuisine while listening to the sounds of the pouring rain outside. The awe-inspiring Jog Falls, one of India's tallest waterfalls, is a spectacle during the monsoon. The mighty cascade, fed by the abundant rains, offers a breathtaking view as it thunders down into the gorge below. Amidst the mist and spray, nature's raw power evokes a sense of wonder. Adventure enthusiasts can explore nearby trails and engage in activities like trekking and photography, capturing the beauty of this natural wonder. Last but not least, don't miss out on Agumbe, known as the Cherrapunji of the South. This small village is famous for its rainforest and biodiversity. The verdant greenery combined with the dance of the raindrops creates an ethereal experience. Observing the rich wildlife, including many reptiles and birds, transforms every excursion into an adventure. As the sun sets, the sky adorns a spectacular array of colors, serving as a perfect conclusion to an unforgettable day in Karnataka's enchanting embrace.